What's up guys, it's Sam here, and I'm just doing a quick unboxing of 8BitDo. It's a USB wireless Bluetooth adapter. So if you turn this on the back, yes, it does show you the instruction. All you have to do is simply turn on the controller, enter pairing mode, press pair button, adapter, and enter pairing mode, and the LED should turn solid blue when the connection is successful. Alright, so just going to open this up. Alright. Okay, so here is the 8BitDo. This is the Bluetooth wireless receiver. Yep, this is where you plug in your computer. This is a USB-A connection, and if you turn this side right here, this is the what do you call it, the pair button, which you need to activate this to pair with the controller, whether it's like Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox, Xbox One or Xbox Series X controllers. And here, this is just a simplified, compatibility. See, it tells you a whole list of the controls, like DualSense, DualShock 4s, DualShock 3s, Xbox One, Xbox Elite Series 2 controllers, etc. Yes, it does support Windows operating system. Yes, it's compatible with Nintendo Switch and as well as Raspberry Pi. I don't know about Apple, but most people use Windows. If you turn on this side, yeah, it's different translations, but this is English. This is a Chinese language. But anyway, let's get to the point. So when you connect this, yeah, you have to turn the controllers. So I'm just gonna hook this up. One moment. Okay, so I already plugged it in, and oh yeah, by the way, you have to download this software. It's called 8BitDo Firmware Updater, which allows you to update the firmware, and as well as the 8BitDo Ultimate software, which you can customize your own mappings, as well as the vibrations, whatever the controls you want to use. But yeah, so now it has detected the USB device. Since I have already updated the latest firmware, yeah, then I should be good to go. So the version I'm using is version 1.02. You guys can see that. Yep, version 1.02. All right. And then if you want to do a manual update, you can just go top left, click update manually. Here's your whole list of controllers to update. Yeah. So if you're using a USB adapter too, which I currently have right now, just simply left click and tell you what version you need to download. Always download the latest version, and you can always look at the logs. It tells you what made these changes. And once you update, then yeah, it'll automatically download and install the latest firmware, and you should be good. All right, next up is 8BitDo Ultimate software. So when you plug in the USB wireless adapter, yes, it's gonna pop up the screen that says, you want to choose a different controller. So it can be like DualSense, DualShock 4, Switch Pro, Xbox One, or Xbox Series. Since I have the Xbox Series, Elite Series 2 controllers, yeah, then you want to click Xbox Series. All right, so it tells you the instructions. So just go by the numbers. So you want to press the X button, which you turn on the controller. Okay, so it should light it up. And the second thing you do is you simply hold down the Bluetooth share button. When you hold this button, it should blink it. Yeah, okay, so now it's trying to pair up the adapter. And once it blinks, then you want to hold down the Bluetooth wireless adapter, which is the pair button. You just simply hold down the 3 seconds. And it should turn solid white, as well as the Bluetooth adapter. It should be solid blue. Yeah. don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, as you can see right there, if you see a solid blue right there where I'm pointing at, yeah, that means it's properly connected. And yeah, see, now it's done. If you have trouble, getting this Bluetooth working, yeah, make sure you go back to the BIOS. Make sure you turn on the Wi-Fi. Always, it may not work, but every motherboard is different, so make sure you double check in the BIOS. Oh, by the way, if the Xbox controller is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, you want to try go to your Steam client. You want to click on this, which is big picture mode. Alright, so when you're in that menu, you want to click the gear icon, and you want to click controller settings, and you want to check mark Xbox extended feature support. So basically it just installs this a custom driver, so that it should be compatible with this certain Xbox One or Elite Series controller. So you want to click restart, and it should be able to work after you're done rebooting your computer system. So hang tight. Right on, guys, so I'm already done restarting the computer. So you want to go back to your Steam client. You want to click big picture mode. Alright, so once you're there, you want to click the gear icon again. You go to controller settings and make sure they're still checked, and it should be able to detect what control I'm using. So yeah, I'm currently using the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, and yeah, as you can see down there, it all says Xbox One controller, Xbox Elite Series 2. And the reason why it detects is because I installed the driver. Without the driver, yeah, you can't get this the device working. It doesn't matter if it's like a Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox controller. And since I'm about to get like a PlayStation Edge wireless controller, hopefully in this year or next year, yeah, then I have to check mark PlayStation configuration support. Always the controller will not work because this device cannot work without the driver, and that is a fact. So anyway, once you click this, yeah, it should be able to work. See, I'm trying to like move my buttons. Yeah, see, now it shows a B button. See, I can actually move my D-pad, no problem. Okay, you can change the preferences, names, however you like. You want to add rumble, that's fine. And once that, you click submit. You can do identify. See, it's gonna vibrate. You can also calibrate. It's optional, but I don't want to. I just leave it by default. And yeah, it should be able to work, no problem. Doesn't matter which controller you're using. PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, Nintendo controllers, doesn't matter. It should work no problem, as long as you install the driver. Because right now I'm using Windows 11 operating system. Yeah, it should work no problem at all. So let's test the so quick games like Mega Man. Hit start. Nice, see, it worked no problem. Press A. Nice. Let me skip that. Yep, see, I can move my D-pads no problem. Even analog sticks, no problem. Let's just hit new, normal. I just want to skip the cutscenes. No, I don't need that. No, I don't need explanation. Okay, so far so good. Latency's good. Input is registering on time. Oh shit, I died. It's been a while. Just got a couple of seconds left before the recording is about to end. Nice. Yep, so far so good. Vibration is working. All buttons are registering. See, Allen sticks are working. D-pads are working. No problem. So with that, I believe that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.